Yung binibili na lang, nagbagi pinapadala sa Japan na babe. 189. Bas, dati anak na si Chelsea, hindi mangutang ako. Nice. Ayan. 350. Ito 500 plus yata ito. Nescafe Gold. Yung binibili na lang, nagbagi pinapadala sa Japan na babe. Ferrero 165. Ito 250. Cadbury 189. Ito yung maliit 45. Pero mukhang ito nakaka-intriga to. Cadbury white with Oreo. Kaya nga itong Cadbury din na ganito. Yeah. Pero ito, syempre, favorite natin to. Maltesers. 200 lang. Puro. 280 yata ito ng normal. 125 yung maliit. 169 yung sneakers. Ang maliit. Kaya ang daming Cadbury. Kinder Joy. 65 yata ito sa labas. Dati wala kang si Chelsea. Hindi ko. Pero 59 lang. So ang dami. Abang syempre Mars. Mars Balita. Mangungutang ako. 225. So this is sneakers. Nice. So Twix. Same price. KitKat. Yan. 150 lang. Nice. Crunch. 40. Ano pa bang nakakaiba dito? Ito. 5. May kape din pala. Yun o. Cappuccino. Top cappuccino. 95. 2 times espresso. Espresso. It's Old Town. Ito nakita namin sa Malaysia. Ayan. 350. Classic. 30% less sugar ito. Hazel na. Ito 500 plus yata ito. Nescafe Gold. Nescafe Classic. Milo. Nice. Ayun din, no? Old Town yung nakita.
Dito ako bibili ng exchange gift.
Okay. Choco Pie. Ritz. Ayun, no? Roasted seaweed, oh. Ang dami. Marie. Classic yan. Yan. Tita Marie.
Ha? Marie.
Siyempre Oreo. Yeah, Team Oreo. Ayan. Ay, puro kape. Dishwashing. Ang bigat. Sumo. 65 lang. Baking soda. Oo. Maganda pag may flush yung toilet mo. Ilalagay mo siya doon sa may mismo. Parang, hindi ko alam yung tawag nun parang storage yung tubig. Fabric refresher. Dishwashing. Yun lang nasa labas din yun lang din alam ko Ang dami. Coffee. Ay, may mga Skittles din. Tic-tac. Ayan. Nice. Meron din mga toothpaste. Yan ang lalaki 99 lang. Nice. Parang mag-candy ka tapos mag-toothbrush ka after. Sus, peanuts. Salted peanuts. Lexus. Canvas. May Ovaltine. Ovaltine cookies, Babe, Ovaltine cookies,
Ay, wow! Cookies?
Oo.
Ovaltine cookies?
Kunin ko to.
Hati tayo.
Yeah.
Baka Oreo na.
Oreo. Ay, ganun din. Compare natin. 75. Tapos meron din silang rates na ganito. Syempre, ito yung parang ano yun. Maalan na ito. Pita. Reese's Puffs. Nutella. 300. Yun, Dubai style. Hindi mabasag. Ayan. Yung Mars din na ganito. Skippy. Skippy peanut butter.
Okay, let's go.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring. How you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown.